Hello everyone, welcome back to Mind Quest. Today we're going to talk about the flow state. How to make life feel effortless. Have you ever been so absorbed in what you were doing that time just kind of disappeared? Hours felt like minutes and everything seemed to flow so naturally, smoothly and easily. That's not just motivation, that's what psychologists call the flow state. So today, we're diving into the science of flow, what it is, why it feels so effortless, and how you can create more of it in your daily life. What is flow? Flow is a state of complete immersion in a task. You're fully focused, energized, and often performing at your best without it feeling like hard work. One of the psychologists, Mihai Csikszentmihalyi, who coined the term, described flow as the state where action and awareness merge. In flow, your sense of self temporarily fades. Time perception shifts, sometimes speeding up, sometimes slowing down, and you're deeply satisfied even if the activity is challenging. Athletes call it being in the zone, artists call it inspiration, but in psychology, it's simply the flow state and it's accessible to everyone, all of us. Now, the neuroscience of flow. So here's what happens in the brain during flow states. The PFC or the prefrontal cortex, which is the part that overthinks and self-criticizes, temporarily quietens down. This gives you freedom from doubt. The brain releases chemicals like dopamine, endorphins, anandamide, which enhance the focus, creativity and motivation. So your nervous system shifts into a more balanced state which is alert but not stressed. That's why flow feels so effortless. Your biology is literally supporting you to be fully present and fully engaged. The conditions for flow. So how do you enter flow more often? Psychologists have found a few key conditions. One is clear goals. You know exactly what you're doing and why you're doing it. This is very important. Second, you balance challenge and skill. So the task has to be hard enough to stretch you, but not so hard that it overwhelms you. Then immediate feedback. You can see or feel your progress in real time. So think about a musician who's lost in a song, maybe a writer in the middle of inspired writing or words, maybe a gamer completely focused on the next level. So these conditions create a natural entry point into flow states. Now, flow and hard work. So this is where flow connects back to, you can watch the previous video wherein we spoke about hard work and effort. So this is a nice way that it connects back to hard work versus effort. Hard work feels like pushing against resistance and it's often very exhausting, leading to burnout. Whereas flow feels like you're being pulled. The activity itself is being energizing to you. The difference isn't just in what you do, but in how you approach it. So if you find the right level of challenge that aligns with your strengths and you stay present, effort transforms into ease. How to create flow in your life? Here are some simple practices that you can do to invite more flow. 1. Remove distractions. Put your phone away. Clear your space. Flow requires uninterrupted focus. 2. Set a clear intention, even a simple goal like I'm going to write 500 words today. This gives your brain a certain direction to follow on. 3. Match challenge to skill. So kind of stretch yourself to do a little bit more, but don't overload and make yourself overwhelmed. 4. Use rituals to enter focus. So use music, breathing, making tea, whatever you like. So you can signal your brain that it's time to immerse. And 5. Practice mindfulness daily. This one has to be a non-negotiable. Training presence in small ways makes it easier to access flow in big ways, in big moments. So the more you create these conditions, the more effortless your work and even your daily life can start to feel. Now finally, let's conclude by saying that life doesn't have to feel like a grind all the time. When you tap into flow, you experience a different rhythm of living, where life becomes more playful, effort becomes more energetic, and time itself bends. So the next time you're about to push harder, Ask yourself instead, how can I set myself up for flow? And that's when you'll see the magic start to happen. So if this video connected with you, hit the like button and share it with someone who needs a reminder that life can be easier.